Scholars, for problem of the day today, we will be looking at the following problem. The bar graph below shows how many points 4 students scored on a math test. How many more points did Nellie score on the test than Billy? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on the answer document. Be sure to use the correct place value. Now, scholars, please pause your video and solve for problem of the day. And when you are finished, you may come back to the video and follow along. Now that you've done amazing work, I would like to show you how I would go about solving this problem. Here we have a bar graph that shows points scored on a test by Bobby, Johnny, Nellie, and Billy. First, after I'm reading my problem twice, I need to really understand what my problem is asking me to solve for. So I'm going to underline my question because I know third grade expectations are to always underline what I need to solve for and what is being asked for me. Now that I know exactly what I need to solve for and underline my question, how many more points did Nellie score on the test than Billy? I want to find out exactly what information I have in my bar graph and what I need to solve, what I need to help use to solve my problem. So here we have the points scored on a test. I know that Nellie scored a total of 50 points on her test. And I want to mark that to be sure I am looking at the right student. Next, I need to know exactly how many points Billy scored in order to see how many more points Nellie scored than Billy. Billy scored a total of 30 points. Now that I know Nellie scored 50 points and Billy scored 30 points, I can figure out how many more points Nellie scored on her test than Billy did. Next, I need to choose an operation to help me solve. I chose subtraction as my operation to help me find how many more points Nellie scored than Billy. 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 3 is 2. Nellie scored 20 more points than Billy on her test. I need to record my answer and fill in the bubbles on my answer document using the correct place value. Now that I've recorded my answer document, the bubbles in my answer document, we are all finished. I can't wait to see all the great work you do, and be sure to always record your answer in your answer document. Have a great day, scholars. Scholars, I want to see your great writing continue. So today, your prompt of the day for writing is the following. Tell me all about the best thing to do on a rainy day is. I want to hear everything you have to say about what you love to do on a rainy day. Make sure to include details and use complete sentences. Have a great day, scholars.